In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Roblox on your Mac or MacBook. And don't worry, the process is very simple. All you need to do is follow along carefully. First, go to your Mac or MacBook and open any web browser you prefer. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can also use Safari if you want. Just open your browser and make sure you are connected to the internet. Now, once the browser is open, go to the top search bar and type download Roblox. From the search results, the first link you see should be the official Roblox download page. Click on it to continue. This will take you to the official Roblox website. The site automatically detects your operating system, whether you're using Windows or macOS, and shows the correct download option. So here, click on Download Mac app. The Roblox app will now start downloading to your Mac or MacBook. Once it finishes downloading, you'll see the file appear in your downloads at the top of your browser. Click the download icon to open it, double-click the Roblox icon. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation, so click Open. Now the installation process will begin automatically. Wait a few seconds while Roblox installs on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Roblox app available on your system. To open Roblox, click on the Roblox app. From here, you can either sign in if you already have an account or create a new account if you're new to Roblox. After signing in, you can start playing any Roblox game directly on your Mac without any issues.